Hello dear students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home and also studying at home and enjoying also. So again I am here for your online classes of Gokuldas Public School and I am teaching you math subject, and already we have started new chapter and addition topic we have completed, and we have started new topic, that means subtraction. Okay, and in subtraction also one topic we have completed, subtracting on number line, and I have given you homework also. So I hope all of you have done your homework, isn't it? Okay, so those students who have not done, make sure that daily you complete your classwork as well as your homework part. Okay, so today the topic that we are going to do is subtracting web, and today we are not going to write in classwork copy, and this topic you will do in your book only. Okay, so for that all of you open page number 67 in your book. Okay, page number 67, और ये हम बुक में ही करेंगे, आपको आज क्लासवर्क कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. ओके, ये जो आज का कंटेंट है दैट वी विल डू इन बुक ओनली. फास्ट टेक आउट पेज नंबर 67 फास्ट. पेज नंबर 67. Page number 67. The subtracting verb. What is the topic? The subtracting verb. The subtracting verb. You know what is the meaning of subtracting? Means to subtract numbers. Okay, subtracting and subtraction, both the words having a same meaning. And what is the meaning of web? Web आप जानते हैं what is the meaning of web? Web मतलब जाल, जाला. मकड़ी का जाला देखा है आपने? मकड़ी का जाला, that is known as web. So the subtracting web, that means you have to solve the question given inside the web. Okay, so let's read the line. All of you look into your book, page number 67, the subtracting verb, and I am reading those 4 lines. Okay, first I am reading, then you try to read it what is written. Okay, and then I will explain you the meaning of given lines. Spyro the spider is up to tricks. He has got fairy marigold in a fix. Subtract the numbers on his web correctly and save her or she can never go home. This is the 4 lines that I have read. Now you try to read it and understand what is the meaning of these given lines. Fast. Read it. Have you read it? Have you understand what is the meaning of these given lines? No? Okay, again I am reading. Spyro the spider is up to tricks. He has got fairy marigold in a fix. subtract the numbers on his verb correctly and save her or she can never go home. That means this fairy, you know what is the meaning of fairy? Fairy means pari. This fairy is fixed in this verb. Verb में क्या हो गई है? फंस गई. So she want to escape from this verb. उसको क्या करना है? यहाँ से बाहर निकलना है. And you have to help her to come out from this verb. How you help her to come out from the verb? By solving all the subtracting questions. Okay, all the subtracting numbers. You have to, if you solve all these questions, subtracting sums, so the fairy will relieve from the verb. Okay, release from the verb. So let's start solving these questions given inside the verb. Okay, so starting from this side, 8 minus 6. I will number all the verbs. So according to that, this is A, this is B. You also write A, B, C, D and E. There are 5 parts and I name the part as A, B, C, D and E. You also write A, B, C, D and E in your book only. Okay, I told you before also, today we will not write in the copy, today we will write in the book only. Okay, so write A, B, C, D and E. So first we will part the A part. First we will solve the A part. This is A part. So how many questions are there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now start solving. First read the question. How do we read? Which symbol is this? This is the symbol of subtraction. Okay, this is the symbol of subtraction. और इसे क्या बोलते हैं? How do we call it as? कैसे read करते हैं? How do we read the symbol of subtraction? The sign of subtraction as minus. है? So how do we read this as 8 minus 6? कैसे read करेंगे? 8 minus 6. So take out 8 fingers. Take out 8 fingers. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now what is the next number? 6. So less 6 fingers. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many fingers are left? Only 2. 2 fingers are left. That means the answer of 8 minus 6 will be 2. So write here 2. Write 2. There blank is given in your book. So there you write 2. Eight minus 6 is 2. Okay, now the next question. First try to read the question. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. All the students take out 4 fingers. Take out 4 fingers. Now what is the next number? Next number is 3. So close 3 fingers. 3 fingers बंद करेंगे या less करेंगे, कम करेंगे. So close 3 fingers. How many fingers are left? 1. Very good. So write here 1. That means 4 minus 3 equals to 1. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Next question. Read the question first. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So take out 2 fingers. 2 fingers. And what is the next number? 1. So close 1 finger. How many fingers are left? Only 1. Again the answer is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So let us read all the 3 questions once again. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. How do we read it as? Repeat after me. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. And 2 minus 1 equals to 1. एक बार read करेंगे अब आप. Now the second part, B part. Okay. What is the first question? 9 minus 2. Read the question. 9 minus 2. So take out 9 fingers. Take out 9 fingers. Taken? Okay. Now what is the next number? Next number is 2. So close 2 fingers or less 2 fingers. How many fingers are left? Count all the remaining fingers. Remaining fingers are 7. So write here 7. Now 9 minus 2 equals to 7. 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Now the second question of part B. First try to read the question. What is the question? 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. So first take out 10 fingers. All the fingers, you are having total 10 fingers in your hand. So take out 10 fingers. And what is the next number? Next number is 4. So close 4 fingers. Now count the remaining fingers. How many fingers remains? 6. Very good. So answer of 10 minus 4 is 6. And how do we read it as? 10 minus 4 equals to 6. 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Now next question. First read the question. 9 minus 8. So first number is 9. So take out 9 fingers. Now what is the next number here? 8. So close 8 fingers. Now count the remaining fingers. How many finger remains? Only 1. So write here 1. That means 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. 9 minus 8 equals to 1. Write the answer. Now the last question of part B. First read the question. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. So first given number is 6. So take out 6 fingers. Take out 6 fingers. Now the next number is 5. So close 5 fingers. Now count the remaining number of fingers. Again answer is 1. So 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. Okay. Again we will read all the questions of part B. 9 minus 2 equals to 7. 10 minus 4 equals to 6. 9 minus 8 equals to 1. And 6 minus 5 is equals to again 1. So you have to know how to read the question also. आपको read करना भी आना चाहिए how to read the question. Okay. Now let's start the C part. So what is the first question? Read it. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So first number is 3. So take out 3 fingers. Now the next number is 1. So close 1 finger. Now count the remaining number of fingers. How many fingers remain? 2. So write here 2. Write the answer in your book. Now the next question. Read the question first. What is the question? 7 minus 2. What is the question? 7 minus 2. So first take out 7 fingers. Now next number is 2. So close 2 fingers. Closed. Now count the remaining number of fingers left. How many fingers are left? 5. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Next question. First read the question. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. So first number is 10. So take out 10 fingers. all the fingers. Open all the fingers. Now what is the next number? 5. So close 5 fingers. Now count the remaining number of fingers. How many total fingers are left? 5. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Now last question, 8 minus 8. This subtraction fact I have already explained you. When similar number are subtracted, what answer we will get? We will get answer as 0. So let's solve it. Take out 8 fingers. Take out 8 fingers. Now close 8 fingers. Any finger remains? No, all the fingers are closed. That means 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now again read all the questions. How do we read it? 3 minus 1 equals to 2. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. And 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay. Now part D and E. You do yourself. Try to solve this. Okay. I will give you few minutes to solve these two questions. These two parts. Okay. Here 4 questions are there and here 3 questions. Total 7. So fast. Use your fingers and solve it. Done. All the students have solved all the questions. Now check your answers. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 2 is again 3. 8 minus 7 is 1. Check your answers. I hope all of you have done it correctly. Now read it. 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. And 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. Now check part E. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. 7 minus 4 is again 3. And 8 minus 5 is again 3. So, part E is having 3 as answer of all the question. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 8 minus 5 is again 3. Okay. I hope all of you have done it correctly. Those who have not done, so copy from the board fast. So just now you have done this question in your book, but this is your project work. You take one A4 size sheet, or if you don't have sheet, you do in your notebook also. You make a web like this and write all the question inside this and make one fairy here and one spider here. And write all the question and solve it, and if you want to color it, you can color it also. Okay, so this is your project work. Do it in your classwork copy or A4 size sheet. Okay, now again, in our previous lecture I told you to learn the tables from 2 to 6. We have written table from 2 to 6 and so many students have learned it also. So today we are going to learn and write new table, table of 7. So take out your notebook and open new page and write today's date here. What is the date today? Write here and write the heading table of 7. We will write today the table of 7. First open your notebook and write today's date. Start writing with me and also repeat after me. Okay, आपको मेरे साथ लिखना भी है और रिपीट भी करना है. 7 1s are 7. Say, students say 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. Repeat after me. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Repeat. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. Repeat. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. Sorry. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Next. 7 6 are 42. Repeat. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. And last 7 10s are 70. 7 10s are 70. Note down the table fast. Okay, now repeat after me once again. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. Repeat with me. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. Repeat. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. And last 7 10s are 70. Your homework also, that one more time you have to write and learn table of 7. Okay, one more time you have to write it and you have to learn also. Okay, so Here we stop our lecture. Good day, have a nice day, keep practicing maths.